Adding a new recipe, you will need your maintenance login credentials. And we will go to Setup and Recipe Edit. And you would go into here, this plus sign, and we would add a new recipe. And right there you would put the name of the new recipe. And when you add the new recipe, whatever recipe you were on while you added it, those changeover values will be copied to that. So you would have to go into the value screen and adjust it accordingly to your new case and your new setup. While machine is running, you cannot adjust your changeover values. You can go to another recipe and edit while the machine is running. If you're making changes in your changeover and you have problems occurring, you always have the default to go back to that we recommend.